everyone, I'm Shubhangi on behalf of Ambition Law Institute. For 19 years, we have been serving the nation by adding eminent judges and efficient lawyers to the legal fraternity. Today, we here would solve all your problems related to CLAT. CLAT, Common Law Admission Test. Gateway to 21 NLUs, and now that IP has joined hands with CLAT, it is very important that you crack CLAT. For cracking CLAT, right now you would be surrounded with chaos because with the new pattern, you don't know what to study, what not to study, which is very important. How to study, what is the strategy to study, and how to attempt the paper. Everything would be covered in this video right now. If we analyze the new CLAT pattern, what we would see is the number of hours is still the same, 2 hours. The type of questions being asked is same, that would be MCQs. The pattern and the syllabus and the subjects and their weightage, if you properly analyze, is similar to previous years. Each subject is approximately having same percentage. So what is the major change? First, the questions have been reduced to 150 questions. Second, the whole paper would be based on reading comprehension. So the new pattern requires the new you. I am going to give you 5 mantras which if you are going to follow, no one can stop you from cracking CLAT and getting the college you want. First, read, 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 and then some more. Yes, you should know what is relevant to be read and what is not relevant to be read. But you have to read. You cannot skip to watching videos or just reading the headlines. What CLAT wants from you is actually the depth, evaluation ability, and the insight and application. Now the question arises, what to read? You cannot burden yourself up with irrelevant things. So it is very necessary that you read relevant material. We as a team do the research for you, jot down all the important articles, all the important editorials which have to be read in depth by you. The work is to be done by you. So don't stay away from reading. Start reading. More you read, more better you would perform. The second mantra is stick to W family. Yes, ask when, what, why, how. The more you ask, the more potential you would build up to understand, to evaluate, to apply. This is all that CLAT needs from you, these abilities. After that, what is required is time management. Yes, you would be thinking the question number has been reduced to 150, so it would be okay. No, if you actually analyze, the paper is going to be really lengthy. Yes, because the reading comprehension would be having passages, and they are telling that the passages would be of 450 words approx. That means it could be more than or less than that. And moreover, we don't know the number of questions that would be asked in one passage. So the time management is the main thing you have to target. So make sure when you're reading, you're keeping a track of the time you are taking and you practice more and more, and then you would target the time you want to achieve. That should be at least 4 minutes for one passage, approximately 450 words. So now that you have read the passages, you have asked questions and your queries have been fulfilled and you are managing time. What is now required is to practice questions as in tests. Yes, don't go for mock test directly. First, practice a single passage. Slowly practice one subject and then practice the mock test. The more tests you give, the better you will perform. Mock test is something which will make you prepare for the finale. We are having our own test series. The link would be provided below the video. Go and right now attack on the test, and then you would kill the paper. But before killing the paper, what is necessary is that you know what is your strategy. Make a strategy to attempt the paper. And before making the strategy, you have to know your strengths and weaknesses. You should know whether you're good at maths, English, logical reasoning, legal reasoning, or current affairs. So when you're attempting the paper, make sure you first do the part which you're confident about. Go easy to difficult. This would boost up your motivation and save the time. Now without wasting any time, take all your fingers, make a fist and go punch the CLAT. All the best.